Hello everyone! Today, I'm gonna share with you my drum setup for our latest single, Wasak na Puso. As you can see and hear, malaki ang gusto kong tunog dito. Reminiscent of the drum sound of the 80s. Yung mga power ballads dati. Gusto ko yung mga malalaking drums to fill out the spaces dahil nga mabagal yung tempo ng song. Nakakatulong yung malaking drum sound para ma-fill yung mga spaces, para makapal ang tunog. This is my drum set. It's the F-Note 5X. I've been a big fan and a big user of electronic drums. I'm using this kit as a MIDI controller lang. Yung sounds nito, hindi ko ginagamit. Controller lang siya. So may nakakabit na MIDI cable dyan. Punta dito. Going sa kabilang room, which is the control room. This is my trusted Roland PM10 personal monitor that I've had since 2008. Wow, tibay nito. This is my drum plug-in from GGD. This one is called Modern and Massive 2. So, tinitrigger ito nung controller ko sa kabilang room and lahat ng sounds galing dito sa plug-in na to. There you have it. Ang kailangan mo lang ay magandang electronic drums as your controller and then magandang drum plug-in para realistic yung mga tones and mga sounds na makukuha mo. That's it for my drum setup sa latest song namin na Wasak na Puso. So next time, I'll see you.